So we stopped to take a look at the Ugly River, and it's on the junction when you're heading to Portland from Kingston, or from Kingston to Portland. And just have a little look. This is what the Ugly River looks like. I don't know why they call it the Ugly River though. It's not so ugly. I see shorts down there. Let's look on the opposite end and see. Hi. I didn't even know they were going down. You guys can tell me that y'all going down? I didn't know. So yeah, we're going down to the Ugly River. Have to jump. Hold on, let me set this camera right. Go down. Okay, there we go. This is the bridge. I hope that kid is not trying to jump. I don't want to witness anything today. Don't jump, child. Don't jump. So this is the bridge. Walking under the bridge. Oh, shoe. So yeah. This is the Ugly River. The Ugly River. The Ugly River it is. Coming, I don't want to slip and fall. Ooh, why do they call it the Ugly River though? Huh? Yeah, it's nice. It's an old bridge. It's like an old Spanish bridge. It's nice. Real nice. It gets deep, man. Yeah. I wasn't prepared for this. I really wasn't prepared for this.